Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I am back with some laundry motivation. To be honest, I fell so far behind once we got back from our vacation that I haven't felt motivated to wash or fold anything. So what better way to get it done than with a timer? I am challenging myself to fold as many clothes inside these baskets as I can within 15 minutes. This is the perfect way to get productive whenever I feel stuck. So if you're in desperate need of some laundry motivation too, turn me on your TV, pour yourself a beverage, and fold your laundry with me. Are you ready? Let's do this. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I'm Danny. I'm a mom to 4, sharing my messy apartment for cleaning motivation. So if you like that type of content, hit that subscribe button before you leave and make sure to say hi in the comments. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, thanks as always for watching. this is everything I was able to get folded in 15 minutes. So basically, I was able to only get through one full basket of laundry, and I was sorting them as I folded. For all the laundry I didn't get to, I'm just going to put them back in this basket and save it for another day. Even though I didn't get it all done, it felt really good just to get some of it done. So here's your reminder that it is okay, you guys, to be good enough. Everything doesn't have to be perfect. After getting through the challenge, now all I'm going to do is put away the clothes that I folded so I can finish the rest of my wine that's still sitting over there on the table. I hope you guys are really enjoying this challenge, and if it has helped to motivate you at all to get some laundry done, please like this video, comment, and share it. We have reached the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!